Okay, we're live Monday, 11:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me get a disclaimer out of the way real quick. That would be this is not financial advice. This is only to be used as entertainment. I am not your financial advisor. So, yeah, market's kind of crashing, not just Million Token. We've got the whole crypto market and stock market on the fears of that Evergrande real estate development in China. It's like the second biggest one. They've got 30 billion in assets, but 300 billion in liabilities, I believe. So everybody's worried about that and how, they're kind of defaulting on their payments. So that's kind of, I think, what's on everybody's mind right now. And with the Jerome Powell, I think he was going to have the Fed was going to have a meeting this week on ethics committee type thing. Like it's kind of late now, but I think this market dip is kind of like sending a message to the Fed that, if you come out with more tightening rules or whatever, the market's just going to go lower. So like, it could be a scare tactic or sending a message to Jerome Powell. Like the market's going down. Are you going to come out with more negative news? So I can't really see Jerome Powell saying anything too negatively. In fact, he may not see anything at all. But I've got to make this stream really short because I got a dentist appointment and I got to leave like right now. So Million Token, we're in this box right now. I bought right at the heart line here, right in the middle. I got 14.20. Actually, when I bought, it was just under $14. But after I bought, went up to like 14.40 or 14.50, and now it's already back down below 13.57, like almost 4 or 5% drop from where I bought it. So we could be going back down to these lower levels. I mean, we're already below these closes. So the next target would be about $13.40 perhaps. And, if we break below this box because of panic fears, we've got a trend line here that's around 1240. You've got these touch points here. This touch point from end of August. We got a touch point here. I don't really like diagonal lines, but, we could find a support there somewhere around just below $12, maybe $11.82 right here if we came straight down. So these are, just possible, buying opportunities. If you want dollar cost average, put in a little bit here, put in a little bit more here, and then put a lot more down below and just see, wait what happens. So the stock market, we even had a gap down. So we should fill that gap on the way up. But these are moving averages. If you drew a ascending channel here, we did break out of it. But, if you look at this dip right here back in March 5th, we're pretty much in line with that. So we'll see if the Fed has anything to say this week or today to save the market, because usually if you have a dip this big, it usually almost has a V-shaped recovery. Maybe we might touch this trend line. We even went below it back here at the end of, beginning of November and touched it in end of September. So, we're right around there now. Bitcoin, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. We're below 44,000, 43,860. Big drop down. This is on the daily chart. I think I was saying yesterday, as long as we're above 43,000, here's the moving average, right? And we basically touched it. We could go no lower and touch it too. One's the EMA and one's the moving average. And really on the weekly, we could go down all the way below the weekly exponential ribbon at 36,454. I hope we don't go down there, but I mean, we could go down all the way there and still go up, and we would still be in a bull trend. But generally, you look at the 21 moving average. Ethereum, looking very weak. This is on the daily, just like Bitcoin on the daily. Let me put this on the daily real quick. We are down below the exponential ribbon, just like ETH here, below it. But I'm kind of surprised that alts are doing pretty well. Like Serum, it didn't go below it, but wicked down to the bottom of the exponential ribbon. That's my alarm. I gotta get to go to the dentist office. I like looking at Solana. Look, this is on the daily, and we didn't even go down to the bottom. We just touched the top, which is usually in the we touch, we go up, we touch, go up. Will we touch and go up? We will if the market recovers, the stock market. Everything kind of revolves around the stock market and Bitcoin. Avalanche, I was really surprised because of all the hype it's got. It's touched the top of the exponential ribbon on the daily chart and it's bounced off. So compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, the altcoins I'm watching are actually holding their own, I think. Um, if you had $100 right now and you wanted to buy a million token, your best spot would probably be Polygon. You get 6.9 million token with minimal fees. If you did it on Uniswap, you get 7.2 million tokens, but you'd have to pay fees. I had to pay I bought over 200 tokens this morning. I think my fee was about $90. And that was a big pain in the ass because I had to send ETH to the wallet just for the gas fees. Because when I first did it, I didn't have enough gas fees, but the liquidity is there for me on Uniswap. So I got an extra like 8 million token, but with the fees I had to pay, I still come out ahead on Uniswap. So, check the exchanges, find out what's best for you with the dollar amount you're willing to buy, or if you're going to sell. What else is to say? I bought the dip. Will Clemente, he bought the tip. He's saying, the supply dynamic set up for the next few months unchanged. Eyes on the prize, bought the dip. And you know who else bought the dip? The president of El Salvador. He bought 150 tokens during the dip. And I retweeted. I said, I'm in good company buying the dip. And then, I put $MM. So I got to go. I've been late for my dentist appointment, but I know today was probably an important day for everybody to listen to this. And I will check out. I'll catch you later. Bye.